Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all of that notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too. So be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Okay guys, so today we're going to make some chicken soup with vegetables. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our chicken soup. So here I have some chicken that I seasoned. This has some olive oil. It has a tablespoon of green seasoning blend that I did myself. I would leave a link in the description to give an idea how to make your very own green seasoning. And some adobo seasoning, all-purpose seasoning that had the cumin in it. So we have the chicken here. In the back here I have the chicken broth that I'm going to use for my soup. Here I have some ginger pieces, some garlic, and some star anise pieces. Here I have some Christophine, some chive, some celery, some seasoning peppers, a celery stalk cut up, some cabbage, and some carrots. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our chicken soup. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to brown our chicken. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to add some olive oil to our pot. We're going to add some olive oil to the pot and let us saute the garlic, ginger pieces, and the star anise pieces. Okay, now we're going to add in our chicken. Okay, I'm just going to leave this to brown a little. Okay, so now I'm going to add in my vegetables. Okay, so now we're going to add in our chicken broth. I'm going to add in about a cup of water. And I'm also going to add in about a half teaspoon of salt. After everything is cooked, I will taste again for salt. Okay, so we're going to bring this up to a boil, and then we're going to turn down the fire to low and leave it to simmer until everything is completely cooked. Okay guys, so now that our soup has come up to a boil, we're going to turn down the flame to low and we're going to cover it, and we're just going to leave it to cook until everything is completely cooked through. There you have it guys, our chicken soup with vegetables is now complete. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give the video a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye for now.